As your library grows, you'll need a fast and efficient method for sorting through this vast amount of video data. This is where ratings come in. Using a simple two-word rating system, you'll be able to pare down your library to only the parts you intend on working with. Let's reject a few clips first. Select the battle footage keyword collection, then with your Command key held down, select Union Defender and Rifle Check. Click the red X in the toolbar or press the Delete key. Clips that have been flagged as rejected appear with a red bar in the upper part of the thumbnail. To hide the rejected clips in the event library, click the View pop-up and choose Hide Rejected or press Ctrl-H. Rejected clips are not deleted, they're just hidden from view. Choose All Clips and the rejected clips will reappear with a red bar across the top of the thumbnail to indicate they still have rejected status. To remove a rating, select the clip or clips, then click the empty star button or press U to unrate them. You can also rate clips as favorites. With the battle footage keyword collection still selected, Command clip these 4 clips with the name Confederate in them. Then click the green star or press F to rate the clip as a favorite. Favorites appear with a green bar across the top of the thumbnail. If you want to see only your favorites displayed, choose Favorites from the clip menu. By the way, if you switch your event browser back to list view, you can see that a favorite star has been added to the metadata listing, which should tell you that you can include favorites as criteria when creating smart collections. In fact, let's just create one now so you can see how simple it is. Select the Reenactors event icon, press Option-Command-N to create a smart collection and name it Favorites. Double-click on the Smart Collection icon to call up the filter HUD. Then from the plus menu, choose Ratings. Now anytime you rate a clip as a favorite, it will appear in this collection. Close the HUD, then select the event icon and make sure to set the clip menu back to All Clips. A feature that is unique to Final Cut Pro is the ability to assign keywords to a range of material in a clip. Select the Interviews keyword collection and locate the Dave Interview 01 clip. Place your mouse pointer inside the film strip, then skim to the right until the time value in the dashboard reads roughly 17.5 seconds. Press I to create a selection range endpoint at this frame. Leave the range out point at the end of the clip and press the / key on your keyboard to preview the selection.
We've done events like this in front of thousands and thousands of people. So for them, it's a way to learn what living history is like. Now,
click the key icon or press Command K to bring up the keyword HUD. In the text input field, type Selects and press Return. In the event library, a new smart collection called Selects is created. If you play the interview clip in this collection, it only includes the video material within the selection range.
We've done events like this in front of thousands and thousands of people.
For you legacy Final Cut Pro users, this is Final Cut Pro 10's version of subclipping. But technically, it's not really subclipping because you really aren't creating a new clip. You're only adding the same clip to a new smart collection whose keyword tags are limited to a user-defined range of video content. Let's create a selection range on another clip, then add it to our smart collection using an alternate method. Select the Battle Footage collection, then select the Confederacy Firing Line clip. Skim to the frame just before the officer yells "Fire," which is at timecode 2 seconds and 9 frames. Then drag out a range to include the rifle discharge. Place your cursor inside the selection boundary, then drag it on top of the Selects Smart Collection and release your mouse. If you click on the Selects Smart Collection, the battle clip we selection tagged will appear along with the interview. Play it back and you'll see it's just the video material within our selection range.
Fire!
Just because you imported the media into your library doesn't mean it has to stay there forever. Often you'll want to delete media to free up room on your drive. You remove media from your library by selecting a clip you want to delete, then right-clicking to bring up a menu of options. Choose Move to Trash or press Command-Delete. Bear in mind that choosing this option is not destructive, at least not yet. The clip is removed from your event library and placed into the Finder trash, which means you still have one last opportunity to retrieve the clip if you need to. Once you empty the trash, however, the clip is gone for good and you'll need to re-import it. While we have this menu open, you can also reveal your clip's location in the Finder by choosing this option. Doing so takes you to the original media folder within the Events folder and highlights a clip for you. You can also delete an entire event. Right-click on the event icon, then choose Move Event to the Trash. I'll delete the cattle roping event I created earlier. If I open the trash, I'll see the event and all its nested subfolders. If you decide later that you want to rescue this event from the trash and make it available again from within Final Cut Pro, you'll need to quit Final Cut Pro, then drag this folder out of the trash and into the Final Cut Events folder of your media drive. When you relaunch Final Cut Pro, the event will reappear in the event library. In the previous lesson, I talked about the benefits of optimizing your media. Because some cameras record media that requires a lot of processing overhead, you have the option to transcode your media to the Apple ProRes format. If for some reason you chose not to optimize your media during the import process, you can always optimize it after the fact. Select the Battle Footage keyword collection, click into the event browser and press Command A to select all the clips contained within it. Right-click on any clip and choose Transcode Media. A window will appear allowing you to select either optimized or proxy media. You'll recall proxy media is low bitrate ProRes proxy media to reduce file size. Let's optimize using the high quality ProRes settings and click OK. To see the background optimization in progress, click the optimization graphic on the dashboard and Final Cut Pro will show you the progress of each clip as it's transcoded to high quality ProRes media. Once a process is finished, right-click on any clip and choose Reveal in Finder. You're taken to a new folder within the Events folder labeled High Quality Media, where you'll see all the high-quality ProRes QuickTime files that were transcoded and that Final Cut Pro is now referencing. In the next lesson, we'll be putting together a rough cut of a movie trailer using this footage. Because all the original media you downloaded for following along with this tutorial is in the H.264 format, I recommend that you optimize the rest of the media in the event library so the media will play back smoothly on any Mac, laptop, or desktop.